So, this is my aircraft brand wall-mounted shop fan. Now, I was able to find a decent bit of information on it, but it was quite difficult to do. It was manufactured by Aircraft Manufacturing Co. of Dayton, Ohio. Didn't really go that far in all those years, which is surprising. It's only like a state or two over. Crowmaster model, I think. Cast iron base and nacelle. The motor manufacturer was Master Electric Company, I think. The motor patent is U.S. patent number 1917289, and it was patented in 1933. It's a twin-coil AC induction motor with a sleeve bearing. I transplanted a new cord in because it was so terribly dry rotted that it was down to the copper, and I transplanted the original bell plug onto the new cord. Now that back there was my attempt at making a radiator, though I need copper wire for it to actually work. It uses ice water to cool it using copper wire coiled up in there to absorb as much cooling as possible. Now, I literally had to cut back the possibly asbestos braided cloth insulator to peel out the motor lead more because it had snapped. They're very small and brittle. So I had to do that and then wire nut the new cord on because it was just twisted on. But yeah, it's very, very old, not exactly the safest fan, so I got a one from the 50s, and I'm going to have it for Christmas, so quite a while from now, but in the meantime I have this. It's good enough. It has a very musty odor that emits from it when you use it for an extended period of time, and it gets very hot once you run it for a while. It's cool now, but if I were to run it for an hour, it would get very warm and possibly hot to the touch.